Hey everyone, welcome back to Fun and Facts. Have you ever heard that humans can make it rain? Sounds like magic, right? But it's actually science, and it's called cloud seeding. So, what exactly is cloud seeding? It's a process where scientists help clouds produce rain or snow by adding special tiny particles into them. These particles act like a seed that helps water droplets form. Usually, airplanes or rockets spray substances like silver iodide, sodium chloride, that's common salt, or dry ice into the clouds. These particles attract moisture, combine with tiny water droplets, and voila! They grow heavy enough to fall as rain or snow. Cool, right? Cloud seeding is used in places where rainfall is low, like deserts, dry farmlands, or even during droughts, to increase water supply. It's also used to reduce fog near airports or even lessen hailstorms. But remember, it's not 100% guaranteed. It depends on having the right kind of clouds and weather conditions. Plus, scientists are still studying its long-term effects on the environment. So next time you see dark clouds in the sky, you might wonder, is that nature's rain? Or a little human-made magic? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Fun and Facts for more amazing science secrets.